Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question, which is like this: the number of symmetric relations. So, you have to focus on symmetric relation. What is symmetric relation? So, if a comma b is there, then b comma a should be there. This is your symmetric relation. And this is your given set. Acha, we have to make sure that it is not reflexive. What is reflexive? Every a comma a should be there. So every should not stay there. Every should not stay there. Some of them can be there, but not all of them. Correct now? Not all a comma a should be there. Correct? Now solve. So first, like, if you want to solve this problem, first create set. So can I write 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, and 4, 4. So we have created Cartesian product. Now, we cannot have this is should wait. You know that we cannot afford to have reflexive. So reflexive depends upon the diagonal element. So for diagonal element, I will talk later. And this is only 4, 4, 4, 4 cross 4. I will go with n cross n. Okay, now look at this. Ignore diagonal element first. Now look at this. You know that upper triangle will have x elements. X is what? N square minus n by 2. Hope you remember. Okay, if you don't remember, just go to the previous playlist. You will find there. Now, for this element, you are having how many choices? I am talking about symmetric. You know that if you'll keep, it is okay. If you'll reject, it is okay. I'm not talking to this. I am talking to this person only. So if you want to keep, you can keep. If you want to remove, you can remove. So this means you are having two choices. For this element also 2, for this element also 2, for this element, this element, this element. So for every element in upper triangle, you are having two choices. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? X times. What is the number x? X is n square minus n by 2. Right now it is 4. So later after creating formula, replace n with 4. Now focus on lower triangle. So for this element, if I'll ask you how many choices you have, you will ask me, sir, what you did with this person. I will say that I have removed. So if removed, you have one choice that you have to also remove. So you have one choice in case 1. If I will say I have kept this element, then corresponding to this idea, you will say, okay, sir, I will also keep. So don't you think rejection and selection of this element depends upon this thing? And corresponding to all cases, you are having only one choice. Means for this element one choice, this element one choice, one choice, one choice, one choice. So can I say that the lower triangle element will have one choices? So we will write 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. How many times? N times. Sorry, not n times, x times. Who is x? N square minus n by 2. Now we will talk to diagonal element. Look at here. Suppose that I will ask you, this time pay attention more. Suppose that I'll ask you, I want to keep this element. Then what you will say? Okay, sir, keep it. Because only this element cannot make it reflexive. Suppose I'll tell you, I want to reject this. Then what you will say? Sir, reject it. So corresponding to this element, you will say I am having two choices. Corresponding to this element, I am having two choices. Corresponding to this element, I am having two choices. Dot dot dot. Corresponding to this element, you will say I am having two choices. So how many elements are in the diagonal? N. So 2 power n. Among these choices only, we will have one case in which all elements are being selected. We don't want that, because if all elements will be selected, it will become reflexive, which we don't want. So we have to restrict this not to become reflexive. So we will remove 1 from all the cases. All the cases are 2 power n, and we will remove 1 because in only one case you have selected all diagonal elements. So this is your required number. Just replace n with 4. You will get a number, and please comment that number in the chat box so that we can make it more engageful. Okay, so I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.